Kumshi benta ban snok tilang bat ka jelahi berok kawai. Ka office jong ka district election officer ri Bhoi district. Kala Rakhe ya ka National Voters Day ka bakhat ar ha ka ar pesan terik kelalengkot ar jar ar puar. Ha ka program ka kong RM Kurba ka badai ka Deputy Commissioner ka ri Bhoi district. Kala shim ya ka benta kum ka kong san. Ha ka jingdon rengkat bat kiwe ki officer. Ha ka sengi la samru iki khusnam shaki BLO ki bla treibha. Bat la penkup buromru ya ki laingut ki samla ka tem ri Bhoi ki balong ki district icon. Bat ha ka juhi ka sengi la samru ya ki epek shaki riupai ba ki bla penrung kerteng temai.
And Bach has given us a very good explanation. I will not go into that. But the only thing I would say that we should inculcate the spirit of willingness on the part of each and every citizen to come forward to carry out this duty as a citizen of the country, to understand why we're doing this, and we're coming just a few months from now, we're preparing for the election, for the MLA election. So it's very important, especially this year, the entire year will be very busy with election process. So I take this opportunity to appeal to all those children who are going to attain 18 years on the 1st of January 2023 to come forward and register themselves at the right time, so that they'll be able to take this responsibility upon themselves to elect and select their leaders, and leaders who will be able to protect us. As Ba has rightly said that, we have surrendered our rights to a person. I mean, this is something very serious. We have surrendered our voice to somebody, and that somebody should be able to deliver. If they cannot deliver, then it becomes a problem for you, for us, the electors for 5 years. So therefore, we need to educate, we need to create this awareness. I'm so happy today we have Yuba, who has explained to us the importance of why we need to vote, on how to vote in the right earnest, voting with a responsibility, with pride. And the election commission this time, they've given a theme to us: accessibility. Everyone can enroll themselves in this modern age from their own home. This e-voting now, I won't say e-voting, e-epic, sorry, e-epic. So you can enroll even from home, right? So it's very accessible for everyone now, especially in this pandemic situation. We don't want to have too much crowd in the disease office too. So it's very important for you to know your BLO. And today we have Ba here, who has been recognized as one of the best BLO. Thank you, Ba, for your services. We hope that many more BLOs will be able to achieve the tasks that they have done. And I know that it's additional tasks for you, but you have done it, and I really appreciate that.